In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix form submission email address. 2025 tutorial. First, open Wix Studio and sign in to the workspace where your site lives. From there, head to the Wix dashboard for the specific site you want to update. The dashboard is your control center, and it's the quickest way to jump into editing without hunting around for the right project. Next, click Edit Site to open the Wix Studio editor. Give it a moment to load your pages. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page that contains the form you want to update and click directly on the form to select it. You should see the form's controls and settings appear, confirming you're working on the correct element. Look for the section that shows the email address used for form submissions. This is often labeled clearly in the Forms panel or appears as an editable text field tied to submission notifications. If you see a text area that displays the current destination email, that's the one you want. The goal here is to update where incoming form entries get sent. Now you can start editing. Click Edit Text on the email field or area where the submission email is displayed. Carefully delete the existing email address so you don't end up with extra characters or spaces. Then type in your new email address exactly as it should be spelled. Double check for typos, make sure there are no trailing spaces, and confirm you're using a monitored inbox. If you use a team or shared address, make sure it's one that multiple people can access so no submission is missed. After you've made the change, make sure it's saved. In Wix Studio, you'll see an autosave indicator at the upper left of the editor. Watch for the status to switch to saved. That means your edit has been captured and is safe. If you don't see saved yet, give it a second to finish syncing before you navigate away or close the editor. A couple of quick best practices as you finish up. Keep your submission email consistent across forms so you don't split leads between inboxes, and avoid using addresses that filter aggressively to spam. If your new email is on a custom domain, ensure it's active and receiving mail. Lastly, remember that the autosave indicator is your confirmation. When it says saved, your updated destination email is in place. That's it. You've opened your site in Wix Studio, selected your form, updated the submission email address, and confirmed the change with autosave. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother form submissions.